All right guys, so the crazy hot weather has passed and I'm ready to get back into the lawn. Today I'm going to be conquering nutsedge and I'm going to be using Sedgehammer. I've used other ready to spray products in the past. This one I've always shied away from because you have to mix it yourself and you mix it at a gallon at a time, and so I usually don't have much nutsedge, but I'll show you how much nutsedge we got this year. So but first, let's talk about Lawn of the Week.
Congrats to Jackie for this Lawn of the Week photo. Now, I think what she did here with the dogs is she definitely got the votes of the dog lovers and the lawn lovers together. If you'd like to submit your photo, go on to my Facebook page and find her photo. There'll be a new post for this week. Respond to that post with a photo of your lawn, and whoever gets the most likes will be Lawn of the Week for next week, and I'll send you out a free t-shirt. So Jackie, yours is already on the way.
So I've got so much nutsedge that from afar it looks like grass, but that is all nutsedge. And I'm kind of excited because Sedgehammer supposedly works really well and it should just like destroy this nutsedge. Usually I'll just have a little spot like this where it's just a small amount, so there's no real reason to mix up a whole gallon of product. So I'll use the ready to spray mixes that you find, or ready to spray bottles that you find at box stores, and I'll just come out and spray it. But I've actually got spots like that, or some more over here, and way more in the front yard. I don't know what's with this year's weather or what happened, but I got a lot more nutsedge this year than I've ever gotten. So we're gonna get to play with the Sedgehammer and mix it up. Here we go. Oh, hey. So first we're gonna put a gallon of water in here. Where's the line? 1 gallon, all right. Okay, line this up. That hose link is nice. All right, so you will notice in today's video I'm wearing more PPE than normal. Because I'm dealing with concentrate, you don't want to get this stuff on your skin. And I mean, I should be wearing long sleeves, but I don't think I have any long sleeve shirts except for my work shirts. So that's an issue. But I'm going to be very careful, and I got the rubber boots and pants on because that's where I'll be spraying. So I do feel more confident. Also wear sunglasses or any type of glasses that will keep spray from going in your eyes. And I'll let you decide if you want to go more advanced than that, but this is what I do. Oh, this is going to be tricky to open with these gloves. Oh, here we go. Okay, get this in the garbage. Make sure the kids don't play with it. Oh, so I'm realizing now I don't think I tested the battery. Hopefully it's still charged. Ah, yes. So what I like about battery operated, it's real easy to mix. Now you can do the shake-a thing, which you kind of do anyways naturally when you're running around, but I like doing this for a while. Something to note with the Sedgehammer mix, it does say on the package that you don't need any surfactant because it already has surfactant. So that is good. The way it was labeled, I think it used to require surfactant, so it doesn't anymore. All right, now just make sure you don't squeeze the trigger while you're putting this on. Don't want to spray your face. And I suppose I'll bring you guys along with me. All right, wondering if I could hold this. Can you see the boom? Maybe I'll do this. Actually wondering, that might not be a bad view. Oh, you got to see all the nutsedge. So I'll just go around. Let's see. Give it a spray. So ignore all the other weeds. I'll be dealing with them in a bit. Just kind of looking around, make sure the backyard is taken care of. It's actually looking pretty decent, considering I pretty much neglected the backyard. So, let's see. All right, let's go get the good stuff. All right, so here's the deal. I got a bunch here, but I got rose plants. So I don't want to spray the rose plants, but I want to spray that. So I'm going to be very careful. I think that's as far as I feel like going. Some more. All right. Here we go to the field. All right, so let's see. Oop, here's another little patch. So I just mowed. So audio's still on. Okay, here we go. I just mowed yesterday because I thought we were gonna get a bunch of rain. Turns out we didn't. So now the nutsedge is harder to see. Really, you want to leave a few days so you can see it. But hey, whatever. Still lights up and I have a general understanding of where it all is. Oh, whoa, hey, over here is a bunch. This is kind of spread out. This time of day isn't the best for spraying either. It's so bright, I can't really see. Ooh. Did I get this? Nah, this is the patch I was looking for. You can see some nimblewill or bent grass coming up here. I'm not sure which one it is. So I will be doing a blanket spray. All right, here we go. Here's where, right in the front yard. Got some spurge down there. That's easy enough to take care of. All right, I think get this. I think we got it all. I always like to release the pressure before taking the backpack off, because there's always a chance you can hit the trigger and then spray yourself in the face. All right, so I'll do an update video next week and you'll see how much it's killed it off, and then I'll probably be spraying again, because you can use marking dye. I've never been able to see the marking dye, so I don't know if it's the sunglasses I get or the marking dye I've gotten, but I can never see it, so I stopped using it. But anyways, I'm likely to miss a spot, and then it's very mature nutsedge, so I would be very surprised if I don't have to apply a second time. The label does say for Sedgehammer you don't normally need to apply a second time, so I'm hopeful. That would be awesome. The other products you do, but we'll see next week how it does. So that's what we got for today. So just a little reminder, if you are planning to seed or overseed or renovate, this is kind of the time to do it. And if you aren't, now is the time to apply some fall pre-emergent protection if you are like me and forgot to do your second application when you did a split app. Usually I do an 8-month rate in the spring and I'm covered year round, but this time I did the split app and forgot the second app, of course. So there you have it. Let's go check the mail. All right guys, so I got 2 more letters in the mail. Most likely they're stickers. If you want your sticker on my cabinet, send it to Grass Daddy at let's hold this one. P.O. Box 1414, East Greenwich, Rhode Island 02818. Let's see who we got here. Ooh, Bermuda Boss. Fancy. It's actually interesting because you could put it upside down and never know it, but we got grass on the bottom. It says top. It's funny. Oh boy. And then let's see. Oh no! Oh boy. All right, and we got Jeremy JB Sod and Seed. Let's get this guy up here. Boom. So if you want your sticker up on the wall or on the cabinet, send me one. If you'd like a sticker, fill out the sticker request form and I'll send one out to you. I send them in batches. I just ordered 1,000 more stickers So I'm behind right now, but I'll get caught up. So have a great one. Bye. If you like my videos, you'll love my website, grassdaddy.net. The Lawn Care Planner tool will download the local weather reports every morning and build a lawn care plan catered to your area. The Lawn Care Journal allows you to keep track of what you put down, when you put it down, so there's no more guessing or over or under applying any products. We also have a Lawn of the Week contest. Every week a winner gets a Grass Daddy t-shirt. And last but not least, there are application calculators and articles to help you identify and tackle problems in the lawn. So check it out, it's completely free, it's grassdaddy.net.